Futurecast.
Well, some active weather next 24 to 36 hours. Let's get started. First with live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. We're tracking some showers. Initially, they're light. They're across the Connecticut River Valley. They're tracking off to the east and northeast. So this batch right in here will come through this evening and during the overnight hours. It's just light stuff. It's nothing as heavy as what's headed our way for later tomorrow. So kind of a wild weather ride ahead. A quick shot of some steady rain and a brief burst of some very strong wind. A big warm-up followed by noticeably colder air over a short range of time. Downtown Providence, cloudy, humid but dry. No rain yet at 45 and a light east-southeasterly breeze at 5, which will really crank up tomorrow. Wind advisory has been issued. Humidity now at 76%. Most spots now are in the mid-40s. Westerly at 49, Newport 46, as well as New Bedford. Now, the high wind advisory is in effect from 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon to 10 o'clock tomorrow evening for the areas shaded in blue. This is per the National Weather Service. However, northern suburbs, I wouldn't discount you out of getting any strong wind. It's just the highest potential is in the area in blue, but these areas not shaded in blue, it will be very windy for Wednesday as well. May see gusts in the 45 to 50 mile per hour range. Future satellite radar composite shows really two batches of rain. That first light batch that'll be coming through this evening, that'll lift up into northern New England. Then notice how there's a bit of a break, kind of a lull, and then we'll wait for that second batch of much steadier and heavier rain along a strong cold front across the Ohio River Valley. This is headed our way for late tomorrow afternoon, especially tomorrow evening. Behind the front, a cold northwest wind. Ahead of the front, a gusty southerly breeze. So you can really see that temperature contrast, the warmer air in the green and yellow and the colder air in the light blue. And usually when you have this kind of a big temperature contrast in the atmosphere, you get a lot of gusty wind. So initially we get into some of this milder air overnight into tomorrow, and then much colder by Thursday, Friday, and on into the weekend. So a few light showers for this evening, temperatures in the mid-40s. There may be a lingering leftover shower during the overnight hours. And notice temperatures do not fall. They actually rise through the lower 50s. The wind will start to pick up. I don't expect a lot of rain tomorrow morning. I mean, I wouldn't rule out a shower. It just doesn't look very widespread during the morning. Temps in the 50s, the wind picking up. As we get deeper into the afternoon, better chances for rain, especially towards the evening hours, around the rush hour, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Look how warm it is. Temperatures approaching 60 on these strong winds. Here it is in more detail for your Wednesday afternoon. A southeast wind, 25 to 35, gusting to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So obviously a gale warning in effect. Temperatures 60 away from the ocean and upper 50s along the south shore. Again, the early afternoon will have light rain, and then late in the day and especially tomorrow evening, it really starts to come down. That's when the strongest wind will be as well. It's out of here on Thursday. We're back to dry and colder weather for Thursday and Friday, and much colder Saturday, Sunday into early next week. Ooh. Daytime highs only upper 30s and nights in the 20s. In fact, some of the long-range computer charts are indicating once we get to this upcoming weekend, beyond that, into say the next 7 to 10 days beyond that, it favors a very cold weather pattern as we bring in December. So get ready.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready.
I'm not ready. All right.